It came! It finally came! The big one.
Let's do some squishy dares. So I'm just going to be doing a bunch of random dares, and I have a lot of squishies. First dare, which is probably the most obvious, let's cut a few squishies. Let's start with the shell squishy. So sticky. And let's also cut this hamster. Next dare, let's step on a squishy. And I think I'm just going to pick this bear on a cloud. So I'm outside, now I'm just going to step on the squishy. It's so dirty. Well, since it's already dirty, I'm just going to throw it on the road. Oh my gosh. Anyways, for this last dare, I'm going to leave the squishy in a random place. I think right here is good. Hopefully no one takes it.
Guys, I think I might have bought a few too many things from Romwe. I have this huge bag full of fidgets that I need to get through. Let's see what I got. Let's see what the first thing I pick out is. Ooh, what's this? Guys, look at how cool this is. It's like a cube and they have little buttons at the top and it spins. I absolutely love this. And all the stuff on romwe.com is so cheap. Next. Ooh, it looks like it's a simple dimple. Whoa, well, this definitely is not an on-brand simple dimple. It's kind of hard to pop. Ooh, it sounds good. And it came all dirty. Next. A rubber ducky poppet? Yes! Wow, this isn't that good on this side, but let's check the other side. Ooh, the other side's pretty good. Come back for part 2. Hey everyone, this is part 2 of all the stuff I got from Romwe in this huge bag. We've got a lot of stuff to get through, so let's get started. Grab something. Mini poppet. Ooh, I like this one. It's not very good on this side, but the other side is very good. Next. An Among Us poppet. Yes! Oh my goodness. The colors and the sound on this one, super high quality and amazing. Love it. Next. So this is supposed to be a dimple digits, but it is super small. Okay. Well, it's not that bad, but it could be better. Yeah, this is nothing like the dimple digits. Let me know if you guys want a comparison video. Next. A purple square poppet? I absolutely love these poppets from Romwe that are like this. They're super high quality and I love them all. Bye guys, come back for part 2.
Hey guys! So 2 videos ago, I did throw these exact same fidgets off the balcony into the grass. And the fidgets got dirty, but nothing really happened to them. So in this video, I'm going to be throwing them on my driveway. Let's get started! We're going to start with the poppet. And I would throw them on the road, but I feel like that's a little unsafe. Yeah, I didn't really expect anything to happen. The pop tube is next, and I did switch this one out for a purple one, since before I did do a blue one. Oh my gosh. It did get a little scratched, but nothing big. Let's do the snappers next. It's a little dirty. Simple dimple. It has a little scratch. Giant stress ball. Oh my gosh. This is so dirty. Orbeez stress ball. Kind of scared. Dirt. Lastly, the mini Rubik's Cube. Little scratched.
Hey everyone, this is part 3 of this huge bag of fidgets. Let's see what we have in this part. Ooh, this is a dog simple dimple. I can't wait to try this out. First of all, this is a pretty big simple dimple. Let's pop it. Well, one side's pretty good, but one side's not as good. That's kind of fun, but I just love how cute it is. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is one of these bracelet poppets. I've always wanted one of these, but it doesn't pop very well. I don't know, it's cool. Next. Ooh, a black snappers? I've never seen a black snappers before. Wait, this pops really well. I love this. I highly recommend. Next, a peanut. Oh, it's like a pea popper, but it's a peanut and they're really hard to get out. Oh well. Fun fact, I'm actually allergic to peanuts. Come back for part 4.
Okay, we're gonna go fidget trading on our penny board, so let's go. 3. Skirt. I went too far, oh gosh. Okay, we're here. How aesthetic. Okay, trading my metallic green tangle.
I'll do my tangle and that's it.
You need to add. Yeah, sure.
Trade this stressful.
This putty and this stressful. Guys, should I trade this? I don't know. Okay, fine. Trading dimple digits.
Do a fake dimple and this simple dimple.
Add. Yeah, sure.
I think I'm good for that.
Yeah, that.
No.
I wasn't happy with that trade anyways. Trading mini heart puppet, fake dimple, simple dimple, and tangle.
I do this big dimple.
Can you add like something small? Not another piece of it. Yeah, okay.
This is part 4 of all the fidgets in this ginormous bag from Wrongway. Go check out the parts before. Let's see what we have. Ooh, this puppet looks really rad. Let's open it. I switched it to the good side, and it's not that bad, but it's definitely like white in a lot of spots. But it's pretty good for the price. Next. Ooh, a pineapple stress ball. This is actually really fun. It feels very high quality and the sound's amazing. Not to mention how cute it is. Next, dinosaur simple dimple. This looks fun. Oh, that side's kind of hard to, whoa. Ooh, that side pops good. It's okay. What is all these? Oh, these are a surprise. You'll see them soon. Next, ooh, I love mini poppets. Bye guys. Showing you some of these new tangles. These are all tangles that will help you. This one's the relax tangle, this one is the think tangle, and this one is the therapy tangle. I surprisingly found this one and this one both at CVS, and I got this one off their website. Starting off with this relax tangle, let's open it up. This is how it comes, and this is super fun. This tangle feels so cool and it is very relaxing. Some of the other tangles make a little bit of noise, but this one is completely silent. This is called the relax tangle. Let's try the Think Tangle next. This tangle is definitely different from all the other ones, but I love it because it is so much like bulkier and bigger and it feels amazing. Lastly, the Therapy Tangle. I absolutely love this one. Definitely my new favorite tangle. It came with a little keychain, but I took it off. And the colors are so pretty. I love this. Bye.